Hi everyone, my name is Carencia Rouse and I'm the Director of Environment for the Department of Natural Resources in Anguilla.
And what were your impressions, or what would you tell anyone else that's interested or about to take this class?
I would highly recommend the Drone Bootcamp. I had no prior experience with drones, so I'm talking about background knowledge and even experience in flying. But after this 1 week intensive workshop, I can honestly say that I now have a skill set that I look forward to practicing some more. The drone bootcamp showed me that there are so many other applications for drones other than just, I guess, some monitoring. It's good for environmental management. And here in the Caribbean, it's especially accurate for monitoring change over time. So I highly recommend it to any of the other territories that want to, get more involved in the environmental management and monitoring, as well as just for the fun.
And just one more question. What are some ways that now that you've done the drone training that you envision yourself here at the department using the drones for?
Okay, so we're interested in, first of all, monitoring the coastal erosion that's been taking place on a number of our beaches around the island. We're interested in monitoring sargassum, which was the purpose of this workshop. But we're also interested in monitoring sand mining as well as mapping our shallow coastal ecosystems.